Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this edition of Rules of Divisibility, we're going to talk about dividing by 9. And divisibility by 9 works this way. The sum of the digits must add up to a number divisible by 9. And here are some examples. We have 135, 405, 2,106, 3,834, and 4,212. And let's give these numbers a try because we know that if we add 1 plus 3 plus 5, that will give us 9. Guess what? That lets us know that 135 is divisible by 9. All right. The same is true with 405 because if we add 4 to 0 to 5, we get 9. And 405, believe it or not, is divisible by 9. And likewise, 2,106 is divisible by 9 because the digits add up to 9, right along with 3,834 and 4,212. Now let's take a look at that 4,212 because it looks like a pretty awkward number to be divisible by 9 because after all, 4,212 is an even number and 9 is an odd number. And so what is 4,212 doing being divisible by 9? Well, we're going to find out. But in the meantime, know this. Division by 9 divides a number into 9 equal parts. And so we can say right here, like 468 is 1/9 of 4,212. I guess I gave it away. And 532 is 1/9 of 4,788. And these are the numbers we're going to prove why they're divisible by 9. So let's take a look at big example 1, in which we have 4,212 divided by 9. And we know that 9 can go into 42 4 times because 9 times 4 would give me 36. 42 minus 36 will give us 6, knowing that 9 cannot go into 6 by itself. So we're going to bring down the 1 to help it out, knowing that 9 can go into 61 6 times because 9 times 6 is 54. 61 minus 54 would give us a 7, knowing that 9 cannot go into 7, so we're going to bring down the 2 to make it a 72. And we know that 9 can go into 72 8 times because 9 times 8 will give us 72. 72 minus 72 will give us a 0 remainder. And so 4,212 divided by 9 equals 468. Imagine that. So let's take a look at big example 2, in which we have 4,788, dividing that number by 9. And guess what? It's another even number, and it looks awfully strange to be divisible by 9, but we're going to try it out. And so in this case, we know that 9 can go into 47 5 times because 9 times 5 will give us 45, and 47 minus 45 will give us 2, knowing that 9 cannot go into 2, so we're going to have to bring down the 8 to make it 28. And we know that 9 times 3 will give us 27. 28 minus 27 will give us 1 left over. We know that 9 cannot go into 1, so our final move, we're going to bring down this 8 to make the 1 and 18. And we know that 9 times 2 will give us 18, and 18 take away 18 will give us 0, leaving our answer to be 532. Guess what, y'all? It works. Divisibility by 9 is a wonderful thing. And right now, I've given you quite a bit of information. And I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video at this moment to just give it a try or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of dividing by 9. Of course, you know I love making these videos, so please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you, and goodbye.